Hi, so every now and then I come across something on the web that I really just need to share with you. And this morning is just such one of those occasions. Now, I've heard Unity described in a number of ways over the years, but never in quite such a unique manner as on the website that I was sent this morning. Now, I'd just like to share it with you. Just thought I'd do like a table reading of it. And so without further ado, here goes. Actually, no, you know what? I'm gonna need some music. So let's have some music. Cool, that'll work. Here goes. Unity Pro Crack 2018.2 plus final version download here latest. Unity Pro Crack is a professional tool which is best for games creating and updating that has the ability to design with the new digital print. Unity Pro 5.6.1 Full Crack is the world's most mainstream and amusement... already. Unity Pro 5.6.1 Full Crack is the world's most mainstream amusement motor that enables you to make astounding 2D and 3D diversions and designs. It is the most expert diversion creator and illustrations configuration device. Unity Pro Keygen encourages you to create amusements for all gadgets including Mac OS X, Windows, web programs, Wii, Xbox 360, PS3, iPhone, iPod Touch, and furthermore, iPad. You can make amusements for different stages, including Android, PC, the web, Mac OS X, iOS X, Linux. It is the broadly utilized for computer game creators and makers. For its extremely rich highlights, it utilizes making it the ideal device for making recreations and dazzling movements. Exploit the intense Unity coordinated devices that will enable you to greatly accelerate the amusement creating process. Unity Pro Serials have many progressed and intense devices, which empower it to underpin Oculus API, which will enable designers to broaden their extent of amusement, making into virtual reality-centered recreations, which will further the client with genuine-like understanding that will make them more included while gaming. It fixes offer bolster for most recent innovations and propelled material science motor to outline 3D present-day amusements. The split additionally encourages its clients to import three-dimensional from different applications. You may also Unity Pro 2018.2 Crack features different sorts of shaders, excellent impacts, and impacts. It can underpin C, Sharp, JavaScript, and Brew programming dialects, propelled recreation of different sorts of land, climate, vehicle, and... period. You can use new lighting advances and make shadows for moving articles. Solidarity Pro 2017.1 Crack is extremely appealing and visual agreeable condition. With the utilization of its intense mono-programming, you can alter programming dialects, import 3D programming yields, for example 3ds Max, Maya, Blender, and the sky is the limit from there. Yeah, I just thought you might enjoy that. Cheers. Bye.